co-host Charlie here, Drop the Gloves Podcast, coming at you with another craft beer taste test review. And we have this week something from Florida. This is the Florida Avenue Dead Parrot with sea salt and lime, 4.2% alcohol by volume. The reason why I'm going so freaking fast is because I am pissed off today. Bad day at work. People don't know how to freaking drive. Crack it. Sorry. Totally missed that. But yeah, I'm just absolutely in a mood. And of course, I overpour it. Too much head. Ha ha ha. Big whoopty freaking do. See you guys when it's settled. All right, we're back. It's settled. There we go. There's the color. It's a, what is it, golden lager of some sort? You know, light lager. There you go. 4.2% alcohol by volume. All right, let's do this. Well, before we do it, let us say the drinker's prayer. Dear Lord, give us today this tasty brew and deliver us from our hangovers. Amen. Cheers. Oh, that's good. That hits the mark, but it could be better. Let's go full on Florida. Let's go Florida on Florida here. This is small batch whiskey, blue corn whiskey from 30A Distilling Company out of Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. Got this last summer while I was down there in Florida, Gulf of America. And you know what? Let's just go for it here. We're in a mood. Let's make the mood better, worse, what have you. Boilermaker, clear, white lightning, small batch, blue corn whiskey from Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. And then the Florida Avenue that we just had sampled. It's good. Now let's see if we make it better. Whew. Wow. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not good either. So that didn't work too well together. But well, I now feel better. I can honestly say I put a smile on my face. I feel a little bit better. So there you go. There's the review. Dead Parrot by itself. Give it a 4. 4 out of 5 cans. And then the Boilermaker with the White Lightning blue corn whiskey with the Dead Parrot. 2. Yeah, I won't do that again. Learn the hard way. All right, there you go. There's the review. See you guys in the penalty box.